Okay, so let's go ahead and set up the bone change. So first go ahead and go to this layer and let's just click on this, do Shift D to duplicate it and place it over here. Click on this, do Shift D to place this one over here. Now go ahead and press the Shift key down and click over here. So what we want to do is go ahead and let's click on this bone over here, do Shift S, do cursor to selected, and go ahead and press the Shift key down. Click on this one over here, do Shift Control C, and here we're just going to do copy transforms. Go ahead and zoom out, click over here, do Control A, do visual transform. Go ahead and turn this off to make sure that it took it, and it did. Now go ahead and click on this and press the S key to scale this down a bit over here first. Okay, I'm just going to scale it in. Now over here, what we want to do is go ahead and click over here, do Control C, click this, type in W dot, do Control V, and enter, do Control C, click on this bone, go to the bone tab and just do Control V, and click over here and press the S key to, let's say, scale this over here first. Now here I'm just going to press the tab key to go into edit mode and scale this out a bit more. Okay, so this is for the thumb over here, maybe like this. Now press the tab key. Now go ahead and press the R key 2 times. See that here we can basically rotate this. Okay, so that's all set up over here. So here I'm just going to press the 7 key over here, do Shift D to duplicate, place this over here, do Shift D to duplicate, and place this over here. Now here, since I'm already here, just do, actually we can just click over here since it's already set up. We can just take this and just do 2 and just remove all this and enter. Click over here and make sure that this says 1 and just remove all this and enter. Now go ahead and click over here on this one. Now here what we can do is, actually since we're already here, might as well just set these up and go ahead and do Control V and go ahead and click on this, do Control C, click over here and just do Control V. Okay, so now we're going to click over here, click on this one, press the Shift key down, click on this, do Shift Control C, do copy transforms, go ahead and click this, do Control A, visual transform, shut this off. Now press the S key to scale this down. Now here I'm going to just put this over here and go ahead and now press the tab key to go into edit mode and press the S key to bring this down a bit. So that's set up. So go ahead and click over here, press the Shift key down, click on this, do Shift Control C, do copy transforms, go ahead and zoom out, click over here, do Control A, do visual transform, shut this off over here, click it, press the S key and put this down over here. Okay, and we're going to press the tab key and actually scale this in quite a bit over here. So that's all settled. So I'm going to click on these shapes over here, press the M key and just make sure that they're on this layer, which they should be. Now here, this is easy. We just have to click over here and do Control C, click over here, click inside, do W dot, do Control V and enter, do Control C over here, click this, do Control V. Now over here, we're going to go ahead and click this, click on this, do Shift Control C, do copy transforms, go ahead and zoom out, click on this, do Control A, do visual transform, turn this off, click over here and press the S key to go ahead and scale this down over here. Okay, now here you want to do Shift S, do cursor to selected, go ahead and do 3D cursor and press the tab key to go into edit mode and press the S key to scale this down over here. Okay, now here is where you can basically rotate around the X over here, because this is how this is positioned. Okay, so what we're going to do is go ahead and click this, over here and go to the bone tab over here, turn up the shapes. So here what I'm going to do is actually change the bone roll of this first. Okay, so press the tab key. Here we're going to do Control R. Just change it kind of like this over here. So it kind of points in this way over here. Okay, now here again we can simply click over here, click this, do Shift Control C, do Copy Transforms, click on this, do Control A, do Visual Transform, click this out and go ahead and press the S key to just scale it in a bit again. Okay, I'm just changing the bone roll, that's all this is. Now here I'm just going to go ahead and press the tab key to go into edit mode and go ahead and just select everything over here. Now this is on the 3D cursor, press the R key, press the X key 2 times and just rotate it over here kind of like this. And here we can really just position it any way that we want. So here we're going to rotate this around the Y. So press the R key, press the Y key 2 times. Just kind of make it just the way you want it to, okay? And here I'm just going to maybe scale it out, and that's it. So go ahead and make sure you click on this, press the N key, it should be on this layer. Go ahead and click this, and now what we should have is everything ready to go. Press the S key, and you can see that it is all working correctly. And press the R key 2 times. This works. Press the R key, this works, and this works, and this works over here. And that's it, okay? So we have this whole thing set up. So let's go under File, and here we're just going to do Save As, and let's go ahead and save this as Rigging Lesson 04 Z.blend. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.